What is a regular polygon? A polygon is an enclosed shape with straight edges that has three sides or more. Some examples of polygons are triangles, quadrilaterals, pentagons, hexagons, octagons, and so on. In a polygon, the measures of the sides don't necessarily have to be equal. A regular polygon, on the other hand, is one in which all the sides have the same length. An equilateral triangle is an example of a regular polygon since all the sides are equal and all the interior angles are equal as well. A square is an example of a quadrilateral that is a regular polygon. All the sides are equal and each interior angle is equal to 90 degrees. All regular polygons have side lengths that are equal and interior angles that are equal to each other, but the exterior angles also happen to be the same. Take a look at the equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle has three congruent sides, which means all three sides have the same length. What is also equal is the measure of each angle, so we say the triangle is also equiangular. Now, we know that the sum of all angles in a triangle is 180 degrees. In an equilateral triangle, each angle is then equal to 180 divided by 3, which is 60 degrees. Each exterior angle, which is supplementary to the interior angle, is then equal to 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, which is equal to 120 degrees. We can find the measure of any exterior angle by first finding the measure of each interior angle and then subtracting it from 180. The equation that is used in mathematics to find the sum of the interior angles of a polygon is n minus 2 multiplied by 180, where n is the number of sides. Let's calculate some interior angles in this table. In each shape, the exterior angle is equal to 180 minus the interior angle. So in a regular triangle, the exterior angle is 180 degrees minus 60 degrees, which equals to 120 degrees. In a square, the measure of each exterior angle is 180 degrees minus 90 degrees, which equals to 90 degrees. In a pentagon, the measure of each exterior angle is 180 degrees minus 108 degrees, which equals to 72 degrees. Similarly, for a hexagon, the measure of each exterior angle is 180 degrees minus 120 degrees, which equals to 60 degrees. Let's add the measure of each exterior angle in this table. But is there a way to calculate the measure of each exterior angle without finding the interior angles first? And the answer is yes. Let's take a look at some regular polygons. Let's start with a regular triangle. Let's take a look at all the exterior angles. Each of them is 120 degrees. If we shrink the shape down to a dot, look at what happens to the exterior angles. All three form a full circle, which means the angles add up to 360 degrees. Taking a pentagon, there are 5 exterior angles, each one measuring 72 degrees. Shrinking this shape down to a dot, all 5 angles form a full circle, once again. This means that the angles add up to 360 degrees. Let's look at a hexagon now. A hexagon is a 6-sided polygon. In a regular hexagon, there are 6 exterior angles, each one measuring 60 degrees. Once again, we shrink this shape down to a dot, and as we expected, the angles form a circle, since all 6 angles add up to 360 degrees. For example, a heptagon, a 7-sided shape, will have an exterior angle measuring 360 divided by 7, which is equal to 51.43 degrees. A regular octagon, an 8-sided shape, will have an exterior angle measuring 360 divided by 8, which equals 45 degrees. In short, an exterior angle for an n-sided shape can be calculated by simply dividing 360 degrees by n, which is the number of sides that each regular polygon has.